Okay girls, let us move on to the problem number 6, which states that find the equation of the cone generated by the rotating line about the line as the axis. So first I will write down, girls, I have to construct the right circular cone whenever I have an axis. So remember that if it doesn't mention also the right circular cone, look at this whether the axis is there. If the axis is there, that means I have to construct the right circular cone. So now in order to construct the right circular cone, what all do I require? I require vertex, I required axis, and I require the semi-vertical angle. So now if I'm going to observe over here the straight line, if I'm going to draw the diagram over here, this is the straight line, axis passes through the vertex. So if I'm going to observe the vertex over here, it happens to be the origin. So the vertex is there, axis is there. Let us construct the semi-vertical angle. Is there any hint given to find out the semi-vertical angle? Some extra thing is given to me, is that the cone generated by the rotating line. Let us see that where we are going to use it in the problem. So let us start solving the solution. We'll write down what all is given to us. Given vertex, and always vertex is denoted by alpha, beta, gamma, which is 0, 0 and 0. Over here axis is, given axis is what? X by A equals to Y by B equals to Z by C. So I got vertex, I got axis. Now I have to construct my semi-vertical angle. Semi-vertical angle is cos theta. I'm going to construct it by using the cos theta formula. As I mentioned earlier, also the cos theta formula is nothing but L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 whole divided by L1 square M1 square N1 square into L2 square M2 square plus N2 square. So if I'm going to see over here from the axis, I'm going to pick up what? L1, M1, N1. So I'm going to write down here L1, M1 and N1 is going to be what? A, B and C. What about one more? L2, M2, N2. Something extra addition is given to us, that the cone is generated by the rotating line. So I'm going to write down the rotating line, and from there the line denominators are going to act as L2, M2, N2. So the rotating line is X by L, Y by M, Z by N. So here one more set of DRs, L2, M2, comma N2 is going to be L, M and N. So let us substitute into the cos theta formula. L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 divided by L square plus M square plus N square into L square plus M square plus N square. That is L1 square, M1 square, N1 square, which is A square plus B square plus C square, and L square plus M square plus N square. But since in the formula I need cos square theta AL plus BM plus CN whole square and L square plus M square plus N square. So let us start looking at the axis. Let us start substituting in the formula. Therefore the equation of the cone is A into X plus B into Y plus C into Z whole square, which is equals to A square plus B square plus C square, I'm doing it directly, into X square plus Y square plus Z square into cos square is what? AL plus BM plus CN whole square whole divided by N square. So this and this will get cancelled. This is the term which I'm going to send to the other hand side, implies L square plus M square plus N square into, copy down the same term, which is equal to plus bm plus cn whole square is the required equation of cone.